Welcome to Scalables. In this video, I will guide you through the download, install, and configuration of JDK. For that, use any web browser. I am using Chrome. Search for download JDK. Download from Oracle site. Currently, the latest version is Java SE 14.0.2. Click on this option, JDK download. You can download exe file or zip file. I am downloading the zip file. Accept the conditions and click on download JDK, and the file will be downloaded for you. I already downloaded this file, so I am cancelling it. Go to your downloads folder. You will see this file, zip file. Windows already has 7-zip installed in it, so you can extract the archive. Click on extract here. If you don't have pre-installed 7-zip, then you can download it from searching on Google. The extraction is complete. Copy this file. Go to File Explorer. Click on C drive, Program Files, and Java folder. If Java folder is not available, create the Java folder from here. Continuing. I already have this folder, so go to this folder and paste that file here. Click on continue. Oracle is currently providing updates frequently every 6 months, and here our copying of this file is completed. So go to bin directory, copy this path, go to click here on type to search bar, search for environment variables. uh, Click here to open system environment variables. Do not use this option. This is for only for this account and not for whole Windows system. So open it. Click here on environment variables. Click here on path, edit, and here you have to add new and paste that path you have copied. If you do not do this, or you have used exe file to download, till this path is not set, then you will get error when you go to command prompt and use command java dash dash version. Hmm, I I already have path set, so I did not get that error. uh, Here I have already set, so I am deleting it. again opening the same command prompt, different command prompt, and java dash dash version. So this option is prompting. Java is not recognized as internal or external command. This type of errors always shown to beginners who are new to Java. For that you have to set environment variables. So click on environment variables. Click here on path system variables. Under system variables, click on path, edit, add new path here. Paste that path and click on OK. Click on OK. Now open the command prompt. Version. You can see we have this Java 14.0.1 installed. Oracle is providing updates frequently every 6 months, and more functionalities are getting introduced in Java. So I will be creating a playlist on Lambda expressions, which will be interesting and fun for beginners as well as experienced Java developers. For that, if possible, you have to download the latest JDK possible at the time you are watching this video. So